everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just an absolutely stunning 1971 Dodge Challenger. This is a true JS code RT. I cannot tell you how much I love this car, man. I love 71 Challengers. They just didn't build a lot of them. I love the looks. I love the gills. I love the side stripe. I think this is the best looking Challenger there is. I mean, I'm half tempted to take this car home. I'll be honest with you. If we're in the middle of building a house, if I wasn't so over budget with that right now, this car would be sitting at the house. This and that black Corvette, man. But I pull another car out of inventory and my wife might kill me. She'll be owning the place. Just a stunning car, F7 green metallic. Of course, it's got all the black striping, the black vinyl interior. Story behind this car, I bought this car over in Pennsylvania. The guy I bought it from, his buddy, I guess, spent 10 years building this car. Unfortunately, he said that he got sick, passed away. Said there's not 500 miles on this car, and it shows it. Complete Nut-N-Bolt Rotisserie Restoration. There's photos, there's receipts. Just a stunning car. And funny little story to it. That's just some little bugs there, guys. I was riding on a scooter and I saw this guy come into the show. And I mean, it's got a great sound, and that's the first thing that gets you crazy. I love that 71 grill too. And I just said to myself, I'm like, please let this car be for sale right here. And lo and behold, he pulled up, parked, and put a for sale sign in it. So 20 minutes later, I owned it. But just killer car, very nicely done. And it's just a little bug there, guys. It's an original 383 car that now has a aluminum headed 440 in it. Factory 4-speed. I believe it's got a Passon Performance 4-speed in it. Car is as tight as can be. Runs and drives outstanding. Like I say, just a killer car. But he said there's probably less than 500 miles on it. I drove it that night. It hit the road great. Nice and tight. I mean, there's zero slop in the shifter. I mean, the car just hits the road great. Got a great sound. I think that might come off too. You can see that tail panel is slick. Look how nice the trim is around here. Nice and straight down the sides. BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it with the 15-inch Magnums. Of course, it's got the RT rear valence with the chrome tips. It's got a great sounding X-pipe. I think it's Dynomax dual exhaust system in it. Gorgeous car. And again, put mirrors underneath it. You could wax the bottom of this car. Matter of fact, I did a little reel today on our social media with the bottom of this car. Dual chrome mirrors. What a car. 68 aluminum headed 440 in it. It's all balanced and blueprinted. There's his notes on the build of this car, all the receipts, all the photos, ton of photos, 2 books and a manila envelope full of receipts and stuff on this car. Dual feed 4-barrel. It's got an Edelbrock Performer aluminum intake. It's got a Edelbrock Performer aluminum heads. It's got TTI stainless or ceramic exhaust on it. It has comp roller camshaft with comp roller rockers. All MSD Pro Billet distributor. They've got a high flow aluminum water pump on it with the March aluminum brackets and pulleys. Aluminum radiator with a shroud. Power steering, power front disc brakes. Again, I think it's called a Passon Performance 4-speed manual transmission in it. And everywhere you look, the doggone thing's brand new, and the bottom's the exact same way. All your core support numbers, your firewall numbers, all that stuff's intact. It's got, again, it was originally a 3D3 car. It is a real RT though. What a car. Yeah, car came out of New York. Got your New York safety sticker. I mean, even they had this polished. Sport hood. Again, definitely over 100 grand. 130, 140 grand to build this car. Sill plates, new carpet. He's put the upgraded shoulder harness seat belts in it. Bucket seats, center console. I think the guy said he just paid either $800 or $1,000 for that new steering wheel in it. There we go. Seats are nice. They're all redone. Like I said, the guy got it from, he just put that steering wheel on it. All brand new rally dash, 69,825 is supposed to be the original miles on it. Even the clock works. Aftermarket am-fm-cassette radio. Dash is nice. Pistol grip shifter. Again, really nice sounding X-Pipe dual exhaust system in it. It's a Dana 354 sure grip rear end. Spares in here. I don't know if there's a jack. These come out. Let's see if I can get slide this out. It's all body color in here when I was buying it. Of course, let me move some of this stuff. Again, this is all receipts. This is more photos. I think this is all photos of the car, completely disassembled. You name it. It's all in there. So I can pull this out without tearing this doggone thing up. Yeah, oh, jack is in there, and it's all body color like it's supposed to be. This is all sound deadener and everything, so when you're going down the street, it really saves on the noise. And then look at this thing underneath. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. This car's got a, I apologize. This is an 8 3/4 355 limited slip rear end. I think I bought a GTX. It's got the Dana 354. I'm sorry, guys. Probably got all my Mopar guys all hopped up. Dana, sorry. No, this is 8 3/4. I do have a 68 silver GTX. It's got a Dana 354 in it. That's what happens when you buy too many cars in a weekend. Really, I only bought 2? It's tough, man. Nice cars are hard to find. Pretty car. Great sound. Can to it. Car rocks too, boys. This thing gets with the program. Fit and finish is excellent. I love that front grille, front and rear spoilers. These cars just look mean, like they're gonna bite you when they're coming at you. Door buzzer work and clockwork. All your gauges are functional. Holds good oil pressure. Parking brake works. Get a fit and finish on that thing. Love the tail lights. hard pressed to find a nice and 71 Challenger.
Deodorant that's clinically proven to control
Radio
odor for
works, blower
72
motor
hours.
works. Yeah, and everything opens and shuts real nice. Okay, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram, our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys.